Today, to come straight to my lesson today, this is Art and Craft Creative Arts, grade 9, and this is a special request from grade 9. I want to say creative arts, it is really a big problem, especially when we accept that it is a big problem. But I want to tell you, creative arts is the most simple, sweetest lesson I have ever taught in my teaching career. So today, remove that attitude of creative art being a problem. So today, I want to take you through those who are watching me live and direct. Mafunzo Nyo Curriculum Teacher Mangangi. I want to take you through slowly and sure. And I beg you, as you watch this video, always find time to repeat this channel repeatedly. You keep on repeating this video, then the impact remains up there. So today, I want to take you through the main categories of color. When you hear of categories of color, the first thing is to understand what is painting. Color is used in painting. You paint using colors to create a pictorial composition on a surface. So what is painting? Painting is applying color on a surface to create a pictorial composition. Now, my main lesson today is to analyze, categories of colors. There are various categories of colors. Number one, we have the so-called primary colors. Primary colors. We call them primary colors because there are no ever known colors that can be used to create these colors. And there are three number. These are red, yellow, and blue. Those are the three primary colors. They are found, these are the original colors. But remember these boys and girls, plus any other lover of creative arts. These three primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, we can use them to create, to mix them, and obtain all the other categories of colors I'm going to discuss now. The other category of color is secondary colors. How do we obtain secondary colors? How many they are? Stay right there. Secondary colors are obtained by mixing any two primary colors, and they are three number. For example, when you mix red and yellow, you obtain a color or a secondary color by the name orange. When you mix color yellow and blue, you get a secondary color by the name green. When you mix color red and blue, you get a secondary color by the name purple or violet. So secondary colors are three number. These are orange, green, and purple. And remember also, as you watch me, purple is also referred to as violet. Let's now move to category 3. These are the tertiary colors. Tertiary colors. How many are they in number? Which ones are they? Coming right away. Tertiary colors are 6 in number. How do we obtain them? Simple. Tertiary colors are obtained by mixing a primary color and a secondary color. And remember, boys and girls, when we are mixing these colors, you got to mix them, you gotta mix them in equal proportions or in equal amounts. Otherwise, if one color has a higher amount than the other one, then you cannot get the desired resource. These tertiary colors, boys and girls, they are also referred to as intermediate colors. Tertiary colors are also referred to as intermediate colors. And these are the 6 tertiary colors: red, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, green, blue, green, blue, purple, and red, purple. I repeat again: red, purple, blue, green, yellow, green, yellow, orange, and red, orange. As I said, keep on repeating the video. Video is there running. Run it again and again and again, over and over, so that you can have it. Now, let me now go to what we call analogous colors. What sort of colors are these? Analogous colors, you got to master the spellings. Analogous. These are the colors that sit next to each other on a color wheel. These are the colors which sit next to each other on the color wheel. Color wheel is that circular, kind of a wheel, which shows the relationship of colors, all the colors. Remember, these colors are very important when it comes to painting because they help to create pleasing color combination. When we use them because they help to create pleasing color combination. Then there is what we call also color harmony, or rather color unity. What is color harmony or color unity? Color harmony is when colors look good together, and they feel like they belong together. For example, when the colors feel good, feel like they belong to one another, when they are placed next to each other on the color wheel. Next, color temperature. Color temperature. What does it mean by the term color temperature? Color temperature is the warmness or coolness of a color. And I want to say this: warm colors contain red, yellow, and orange, while cool colors contain blue, green, and purple. I will talk more on these warm colors and cool colors in my next episode. But remember, another name for color is hue, H-U-E. For now, it's a bye. If you do have any query, kindly go to the comment section. Put your concern down there. If it is something personal, then you can send it. You can also call me direct. You can also put there, and then I'll make a video as I began by promising. I'll make a video on the same so that now I can answer and help each one of you those who have an issue. For now, bye.